What is up, no fuck Southern here. Hey, look at that, it's Kenworth. T800. Unexpected. What the frick? Oh, come on! Oh man! He didn't see me! Well, that was a fail. The dude, I guess, has train arms. Comes a garbage truck. Yeah, but he's turning in there.
Love bows getting all in them.
I'm speechless. Is that Johnny?
That's Johnny's record service.
Dang! That sounded like a real train horn. Yeah, the car's covered in love bugs. Love bugs. Yeah. Awesome car. Love bugs. They're all over. See a jet. Pretty sure the camera can't see it. Dang, man. I hear a truck. Yeah, it's a truck. That's Sterling about to try. I don't like that Sterling. Oh, there's that NS driver that threatened to call the sheriff on me. Guess what, buddy? I got to see me 3 freight trains last time. But you blow.
Scared the hell out of me.